A lot of people ask me this: can stock trading become a career? Most people that come to our first class know nothing about the stock market. They might know a little bit about investing, but they don't know anything about short-term trading. And many of them have never owned a business. And that's why a lot of what we do in our TRADEway classes is we talk about Bible principles for entrepreneurism. What does the Bible teach about having an entrepreneurial spirit? And we teach the skill sets and the principles from the Bible about all that. Because yes, you can use stock trading as a family business. So can you imagine that? Using a laptop and having a business from anywhere you want to do the business? You can trade from anywhere that has an internet connection, right? So you bring in your children, you work together with them, and now you're using your money to make money rather than trading your infinitely valuable time for someone else's little bit of money, right? So now we get in the best quadrant of the cash flow quadrant, the investing quadrant, where we use money to make money rather than trading our time for money. What does it do? It creates time freedom. That's what it's all about. You have more time with the Lord. You have more time with your family. You have more time to be creative. You can even learn to do some things you've never done that you wish you had done, like take piano lessons or guitar lessons. And so that's what we want to do, is help you learn to create a business through stock trading. At TRADEway, we've got 4 generations of experience behind us, starting with my great-grandfather, grandfather, my dad, myself, now my grown children, and now my grandbabies. So now we're getting into 5 and 6 generations. But the thing is, we've decided to share this with our brothers and sisters in Christ around the country. And that means you. So we want you to join us at TRADEway. We'll help you to learn to make stock trading your family business.